Yeah, good evening guys. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to discuss about some of the queries, that is a persistent systems students query. So the doubts as they are mentioned in the comment, okay, in the comment section of my previous video. So here the student Ria, she asked about do we have to complete the HR assessment? Do we have to complete the HR assessment in the 15 minute only, or we can increase the timing up to 30 minute? See, as in the mail they are mentioned like the HR assessment is 15 minute, okay, but there are around maybe 100 questions are there, 100 questions in the HR assessment, and it will the progress will show like you are completed the 10%, 30%, okay, the progress will show. So it is not possible to read all the questions in 15 minutes, okay. So it takes around 25 to 30 minutes to answer those questions. So you can take more time, okay, as most of the students they have taken more time also. So it requires more time is required for to attempt the 100 questions. So what you do, you can take the more than 15 minutes, more than 15 minutes you can take time for the HR assessment till the completion, okay. Then Hardik is saying, again I had received the mail from the persistent saying that in case if you have successfully given the HR assessment earlier, you can ignore this email. Now what should I do? I have already given the HR assessment on 8th September. Okay. See, if they are already mentioned, like if you are already successfully, if you are attempted the HR assessment, then you can ignore the mail, or you can just discuss with your TPO, like you are received a mail, like to give the one more HR assessment. Okay. So you just discuss with your TPO, and suppose if the TPO if they tell you to attempt once again, okay. So once again, if they tell to attempt, then you can attempt, okay. Because even few students like they received the two times in the HR assessment, okay. But the finally they are selected, okay, no problem. So if possible you can attempt it, they will consider, there is no problem, okay. But you just communicate to your TPO, like this is the mail, so can I attempt, or can I ignore the email? So you can just discuss. But if as per my opinion, if you attempt, it is good, okay. If you attempt, no, if you attempt because same questions will get, okay. If you attempt, it will be good for you also, okay. So as per my opinion, you should attempt, okay, you should attempt, but you just convey the message to your TP also, okay. Technical say one question. I have uploaded all the documents as per the given date. When will the internship mail arrive? See, you are uploaded your document, okay. So they will verify your documents, okay, because sometimes no, these because this 10th and 12th score, it should be above 60 percentage, okay. So that's why they will verify the document, and after verifying the document, maybe in 1 month or they take some time. Okay, in 1 month or in the 2 months, you will get a mail for the internship communication. Okay, as in the earlier in the first mail only, I think you are received. They are communicated like you will get an internship mail before Jan 2022, right? So that they were mentioned in the mail only. Okay, January 2022. So you can just wait. You will get. And also, even though if they send the internship mail, you communicate to your TPO, because as per college policy, you have to proceed for the internship. Okay, it is because you are still a student. You should follow the college policy. Vinita, sir, I forgot to upload 10th and 12th mark sheet. So what should I do? Vinita, what they do? They will verify whatever you are uploaded, no, the document. So they verify the document. Okay, they verify all the uploaded document, and if any like discrepancy or any, if document is not uploaded, if any of the document not uploaded, then they will communicate to re-upload. Okay, or what you can do is you can mail to the help desk. This is one thing that they will send a mail. Okay, and a mail to help desk mail to help desk, just to mention, write it in a proper way, like you are uploaded the educational documents, that is B, I think you are uploaded maybe SEM 1 to SEM 5, right? So you can just mail like I forgotten to uh, 10th and 12th. Okay, the mark sheets I forgotten to upload. So please allow me the alternative way to upload the document. So that is one way you can, means you are communicating, you are requesting. Okay, you are requesting or you are communicating to the persistent team that you are not uploaded the document. Okay, so that is one thing you can mail and communicate, because what happens, no, these 10th and 12th, they verify whether it is above 60 percentage, that's all. Because sometimes what happens, the students they are like below, like 58.9 or 59.4, such students also they appear for the, and they select. Okay, but as per some company policy, like they won't allow. Okay, and in some cases they allow, like these 59.5, like it is depend, you have to like convince, like you are considered 59.4 as 60 percentage. Okay, so even if you are done, your performance is well in the technical and HR, then also they will consider. Okay, that is only the main thing. And I think for the date of birth proof also, date of birth proof, I think 10th certificate they will consider. I only uploaded my semester mark sheets in education. Yeah, Vinita. So, Vinita, what you do, you can mail to that for your particular region help desk mail ID by mentioning that mistake is happened. Okay. So I really apologize, and please provide an alternative way to upload my documents. Okay. So they will consider, it is not a problem. Okay. Because what happened, no, like for 2021 batch students. Okay, still these guys are still not provided their final mark sheet. They are not provided the final semester mark sheet, and now they are already working. Okay, they are already working. Even they got the salary also, 3 or 4 months salary also they received. So it is not a big issue. Okay, and whatever like such problems are there, no, you just need to communicate through the mail, communicate through mail. Okay, to that help desk. Okay, the persistent, I think there are some joining, I think like for Pune region, Goa region, I think for various region, and there are 4 to 5 mail IDs are there. I think you have that in your mail ID. Okay. So Vinita, it is not a big issue. Okay, so don't worry. And Ankita has one doubt. Okay, I have given the HR assessment on 8th September, and today again I have got the mail for HR assessment. So when will I receive my offer letter? Okay, so Ankita, you just attend your HR assessment. Suppose if you are received once again, okay, you just complete it. Uh, so after completing, based upon your college, okay, if your college, all the students, if they are completed the process, okay, if all your like college from the electronics branch, CSC, IT, okay, if they are if everyone is gone through this HR assessment process, then college wise they send the selection mail. College wise, they send the selection list. Okay, they will even communicate to TPO, and also sometimes they will directly communicate to the students also. Okay, then Hardik, I have given the HR assessment on, I think maybe some technical problem it is, I think those who are attended no on 8th September, everyone they received the mail for the HR assessment. Even though if you have received the HR assessment, you try to attend. You try to, miss, as per my opinion, I am saying you must attend the HR assessment. Okay, because if it is a system generated in the system, it is showing. It means your status is showing that you are. It is pending. So that's why maybe you are received the mail. Because I observed some problems in the persistent. As I think already I communicated. Like suppose if my mail ID is abc.naik287@gmail.com. If suppose if the student mail ID is in this way, as you can observe here, there are numbers are there. You can see the numbers. 3 numbers are there, no? So what happened, no? For few students, actually this is a student mail ID. This is correct mail ID. Okay, but in their system, this is the correct mail ID. But in their system, what happened? No, it considered this mail ID as 287. Means this particular character is there, no, before the one number. So it is missing. Means I think most of the student, I think in I observed, they are not received because they were sending the interview mail and all to this wrong mail ID. Okay, it is maybe a human error or maybe technical error, don't know. They were sending, but here K is missing, and it has happened to around 6 to 7 students. 6 to 7 students, and their mail ID is in the same category, like the mail ID with the numbers at the last. Okay, so that problem they students they faced. They are rescheduled multiple times, but they were always sending mail to this wrong mail ID, and students were not received. As interviewer, they were waiting for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and later they called to student like why you are not joining the interview. So the student told like he is not received the mail. He don't know. He's unaware about that because they are sending the mail to this wrong mail ID. Okay, because here K is missing. So there may be some technical problem, but if you have received the second HR assessment, no, you just attempt it. Okay, it is not a big issue. as you know what type of questions are there. Okay, you attempt it and from your side you do it. Okay, even though you are already gone through process. Siksha. My interview was done in 10th September and I got mail today. Okay. Okay, Siksha, congratulations. I think you are received the selection mail. Okay, good. Means it depend upon the college. Like some students they are attended on the 8th September and they are received one more time. One more time they are receiving their HR assessment. It depend on college. Okay. So no need to worry. If you received one more time, you just attend it. Samir, I have received the HR mail today for assessment. How much chances are there that I get selected? Yeah, Samir, congrats. Like I think I'm seeing from last few weeks, from last like 7 to 8 days, as you are viewing my videos, and Samir, definitely you will receive 99% chances are there. Okay, okay, definitely you will get a mail. Okay, for I think base package maybe you are selected for the base package. Okay, assistant, definitely you'll get. Don't worry, because you are cracked this technical interview. This is major difficult or major because in the hands-on and the theory questions they used to ask in the technical interview. So you are crossed this stage means definitely they will accept you. Okay, Sam. Sir, I have been selected in persistent. All my friends have received the offer letter, but I have not received yet. What should I do? Okay. Yeah, it is happened with a few students, Sam. Okay. So what you do, you just wait for 1 or 2 days. Okay, Sam. And also you communicate to your TPO. Okay. You communicate to your TPO like you are not received the your uh, like this you are received, I think you are received the selection mail, right? But offer letter link is not received, I think. But my friends this offer letter, yeah, that offer letter mail is not received. Okay, so Sam, what you do, you just try to communicate to the TPO through mail. Okay, mail communication you do, don't do just informal communication. Mail communication you do, and your name is in the selection list. Okay, if your name is in the selection list means you are 100% you are selected. Okay, your name is in the selection list. Okay, so you are 100% you are selected, don't worry. But you just take a follow up. Okay, you just communicate to your TPO and also communicate to your HOD, okay, or your mentor, like your name is there in the selection list, but it may be some delay, it may be some technical problem. Okay, it may be some technical problem. Okay, but you will receive, don't worry. Okay, but what you know, what you just communicate to your TPO or your head of the department. Means in the future, if anything happens, if suppose if any problem happens, okay, so your like your HOD or your faculty mentor, they will help you. Ria, if I use more time in HR assessment, will there any impact on performance? Means will they reject who took more time like that? No. Okay, Ria, as if you spend more time, no problem. As my opinion means, as my observation, most of the student, no, most of the student. I think around 30 minutes, around plus or minus 30 minutes, they took for the HR assessment. Okay, and it depend. As I discussed with a few students, like few students they got 50 to 60 questions. Okay, and a few students they got 100 questions. Okay. So I think there will be a progress bar. So after the attempting the questions, you can see the progress like 10%, okay, or 20%. You can see the progress, okay, the completion. And you, what you do, you try to read the question properly, carefully. You read the question and attempt it, okay, because sometimes there will be some repeated questions, and for repeated questions or similar type of questions, the option should be same. Means you need to attempt the same option you have to choose in the HR assessment, okay. There should not be any confusion while choosing the options, okay. So you can take more time, no problem, till the completion. I think I think there will be no timer. I think there will be no timer, and also you can use a mobile timer during the assessment. No, you can keep side your mobile timer. Okay, you can set the mobile timer and try to cover as early as possible. But 100 questions in 15 minutes, it is difficult. But you, as early as possible, you can complete it. Babu, I didn't get HR mail, but interview went so good. Okay. See, Babu, it is depend upon the interviewer. Okay. Sometimes what happens, no? Sometimes the interview, it was very easy. Like interviewer, they ask some easy questions to students, and their name will be missing from the list. Okay. So name missing from the list. So it depend upon the interviewer. Okay, as you are done good in the interview, but you are not received the HR assessment. Okay, it is depend upon the feedback that is given by the interviewer, whatever the feedback that the interviewer give to HR team. Okay, so don't worry, maybe there is some better thing is waiting for you. Okay, some good company. So Babu, what you do, you just go with the TCS. Okay, then you just target for the digital profile. Okay, digital profile is 7 LP. Okay, you perform well. I think now the TCS exam is going on. Wipro is also there. Still time is there. Okay, all these are pan India recruitment is there. So you don't think about this. You just focus on your preparation. Okay, because you still you have the time. Okay, maybe something better is waiting for you. That's why maybe they are rejected. Okay, so don't worry, just move on. Means your job is to just attend the interview. Okay, you just attend the interview. The selection or rejection, it is depend upon the interviewer. Okay, if you are selected, it is good. If you are rejected, then just think that something better is waiting for you. So just focus on your preparation. Don't think negative. So Ria, who are those 1% people who don't get selected after the HR? Ria, see what happens now. Like sometimes depend upon the HR online assessment. HR online assessment. Okay, the students, what they do, they blindly attempt the questions, without reading it properly. Okay, without reading questions, they attempt it. Okay, blindly, they just in a hurry, they just okay. So and another thing is that the HR online assessment, the responses are whatever the responses are there, no, that is reviewed by the HR people. Okay, they just review how the students is, maybe the responses in a graphical represent in a way. They just analyze. Okay, they analyze the responses that is given by the students. Okay, because in the HR they test the students how they attempt the questions and their attitude, their decision making skills, and how he fit for the organization. Okay, some HR level questions were there. So if the students, if they provide some like based upon the responses, the next question will be depend upon the previous question. So you need to read the questions carefully and attempt. So there are some there are see the in HR also there are few students are there, they are rejected. In HR also they are rejected. Okay, there are some students are there in after the HR online, no, they are their name is missing from the selection list. So this round also you have to take it seriously, HR. Okay, there are more chances are there of selection, but if you provide some unrelated answer, if you just blindly attempt it, and blindly means to attend these questions in 15 minutes. Okay, see, it is very impossible. It is impossible to attempt 100 questions in 15 minutes. It is impossible. Okay, so in the hurry, or the students what they do, they blindly just they do the tick 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 for all the questions. Okay, without reading it. Then I think that is also one strategy. Like uh, they are given a 15-minute time, and suppose those who attempt the test within 15 minutes, it is impossible. It is impossible to read all the questions in 15 minutes. If the student has attempted within 15 minutes, okay, within 15 minutes, if he is completed, means he is not fit for the job. Okay, here one negative thing is there, means student he want to just attempt the test. That's all. Okay, so it is some natural thing like 100 questions in 15 minutes. It is impossible, and that too to understand the scenario. Okay. So try to read the questions carefully and attempt it. Even though they are mentioned 15 minutes, but it is not possible. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Babu, 31,000 something. Yeah, the salary for the this base package, no, 31,000. I think some 600 or 7,000 is there. That is in hand salary. In hand, they will get students. Okay, and some other benefits also there. That is external, the extra. Other than that, PF and insurance and all. Okay, see, it is like a government job only. All the facilities they are providing, the gratuity. Okay, and PF, insurance, your family, and this is applicable to your parents also. The insurance. Okay, it is very important. So it is like a government job. So those who are still attending the technical interview and all, they take it seriously. And those who are completed the technical and HR assessment, still there is a the HR round also very important. So read the questions carefully and attend it. Yeah, so 60 students gave the technical interview from my college. Out of 60, 55 plus got HR email. So will they reject after HR as they won't eliminate many students in technical interview? See, they won't eliminate, because the thing is that HR interview, that HR online assessment is there, no, that is depend upon the everyone the student, it's individual perspective. Okay, it's individual perspective, but you have to read the questions carefully and attempt it. Okay, because if you attend the one first question, no, based upon that second questions will arise, and based upon the second question third question will arise. There is some relation is also there, and in some questions, no, as students they shared, there is no relation between the question and options. That is also there. Okay, there is no, the question is the different, options are different. So that also happens, but you have to, in that only you have to choose which is the best option. So there may be chances are there, but you have to read the questions carefully. Then Saksham, I accepted offer letter 3 days ago, but I have not received any mail to upload my document. Okay. Yeah, it is happened with a few students. So you just wait for 1 or 2 days and communicate to your TPO. Okay, communicate to your TPO, and also you check your spam mail, spam also. Okay, you just check the spam. Sometimes, okay, you may be received, just to check your spam and communicate to the TPO. That is very important. What happens, no, if any problem happens in the future, so that they will communicate to the HR for all these things to generate the offer letter and all. Because TPO has direct contact with the HR. Gaurav. Some of my friends received the offer letter on Friday. Okay, but still now I have not got offer letter mail after filling the congratulations mail. When I communicate to TPO, they said that you will get the mail within 4 to, yeah. It may be some technical problems. Definitely you will get. Okay. See, your name is in the selection means you are 100% you are selected. Okay, if your name in the selection list. Okay, in the selection list your name is there, so you are 100% selected. So don't worry, definitely you will get. You wait, because see, still time is there, and it happens like, we compare with the others. Okay, like, your friends are receiving and you are not received. It happens. Okay, see, there are some cases are there, due to some technical problem, no, still, students, like, as I already told, like some problem with the Gmail ID and all. Still, for such people, still they are scheduling the interview and all. Still they are pending. Still their technical interview not happened, and you are reached to end stage for, to, means you are selected and you are received the selection mail also. Then don't worry. Prasad, I accepted the offer letter, but during the accepting offer letter procedure, I didn't upload documents, just completed 3 out of 4 tasks and submitted the offer letter acceptance. Is it an issue? How can I solve? Okay. See, Prasad, what you can do now, suppose if you are, it is not a big issue, but you just communicate to, uh, that help desk mail ID, persistent help desk mail ID is there, no? I think as per the region. Okay, persistent help desk. You write a proper mail. Okay, you write a proper mail and just mention that you are completed the 3 out of 4 tasks, and due to the deadline, okay, due to the deadline, I am unable to upload the required documents as specified. So please accept my request and allow me to re-upload. Allow me to re-upload or any other alternative way to upload the document. Okay, you just do a mail communication. Okay, it indicates that you are accepting your mistake. Whatever happened means you are not followed the proper instructions. That mistake is happened, and you are accepting that mistake. So definitely they will help, because it happens as still you are a fresher, and it happens in a hurry, or in some mistakes are happens. Okay, so that's why in every company they are having a team, that help desk team is there. Okay, even you can see in the TCS there is a live, in TCS also, no, there is a live, there are many trainees are there, and they do the live communication during the test. Okay, live chat. They will communicate if any problem happens, so they will communicate through the live chat. So that's why the main thing is that if there is some mistake, no, we need to accept, because it is a career. Okay, because as you are getting in this stage, as you are getting a like 4 point almost 4.1 LPA package, okay, with all the benefits. Okay, I think you are maybe 22 or 23-year old. It depend, means like in some colleges where the students are getting the higher package, means it is all depend. Okay, and it is good in this particular age you are getting this job, no, it is very good compared to others. Okay, so if you are done mistake, you try to accept it, write a mail, and also if possible you can communicate to your TP also. Okay, it is not a big issue, they will sort out. And I think you have received the offer letter also, e-offer letter. Okay, Siksha. My only first technical interview was happened, and I got mail for online HR assessment. So, what about the technical interview? Yeah. Siksha, what happened? No, this time as they are recruited the more number of students. Okay, they are recruited the more number of students, and they are finalized with only one technical interview. Only one technical interview they are conducted this time. Okay, only one technical interview. So based upon the performance in the one technical interview, they are allowing for the online HR assessment. So there is no other technical round. Okay, and based upon your performance, as they are allowing for the advanced coding, that is higher package. Based upon the result performance from the base package, they are allowing to the advanced coding. Okay, advanced coding, and they are offering the higher packages. But there also means like once you are selected in the online assessment base package, based upon your performance, you are getting this one. After this, they are taking the technical interview. There will be only one technical interview. Okay, Ayush, I have received the mail again about HR assessment. What should I do? Ayush, you just attend it. Okay, if you are received one more time, no, you just attend your that HR assessment. One more time, you just attempt it and complete. Okay. Okay, so you just attend and complete the HR assessment. Because sometimes, because it is a system generated, maybe in that particular system it is showing that your HR assessment is pending, maybe. Okay, so suppose if you are received, better you attend you complete HR assessment. As few students, they were received to second time, and after the second time they got the offer letter. Okay, so you just go ahead. Bhavesh, in my college, 27 students were eligible for technical interview on 10th September. Okay, 27 students. Okay, but that day only one student done with the interview, and for other students the interviewer didn't came. Okay, yeah, it has happened with the many students. Maybe I think 10th September. I think what is the date? I think 10th September was a holiday. I think Ganesh Chaturthi was there. Okay. See, it is an Indian festival. All over India, we celebrate Ganesh festival was there, no, that time, that day. Okay. So, as all the people, they were at home. Okay. So, maybe that region. Okay. Maybe that region. Uh, but they will reschedule. Okay. They will reschedule the interview. Okay, they will reschedule the interview, and you just inform, you just communicate to your TPO, you just mail them. Okay, you do a mail communication. Okay, like or means you do a mail communication, like in the, you just mention it in a proper way, like the interview was scheduled on 10th September, and I was there at right time. Whichever the right time, you just mention it, the time, date, but the interview is not joined. So kindly like rearrange the or reschedule my interview. You just write it in a proper way. Okay, and don't blame to others, because see, it is a natural. Even though as they were scheduled on 10th September, and 10th September, as you know, it was a Ganesh festival. Maybe that reason, I don't know. Maybe there's some other reason, as they maybe they were busy with some other work. Okay, there are so many reasons are there, but definitely they will reschedule. Okay, because persistent, they are rescheduling the interview with all the students. If any such problem happens, they are arranged. Okay. Bhavesh, in my college 20 eligible for, okay, that, okay, and for other students interviewed. Bhavesh, what does this mean? I think I answered for this. That only one student done. Yeah, yeah, Bhavesh, the same question, no? That definitely they will reschedule. Don't worry, they will reschedule. You just write one mail communication to the TPO. Means it is your you are conveying your information. Okay, you आप बता रहे हो कि आपका इंटरव्यू नहीं हुआ. I am requesting, please reschedule in my interview. There may be some technical problem, there may be some personal problem, any problem will be there. Do we need to merge 10th, 12th result with the same result? Yeah, you can merge the PDF document. Okay, so what you do, first you take the 10th file, then 12th mark sheet, then first sem, second sem, like all the semester marks, you just merge it. First you make a you make it PDF for all documents. All the documents are there, no? You just make it a PDF and merge all the documents. Okay, then Siksha, your interview will reschedule. Yeah, yeah, he's answering for Bhavesh question. Okay, Anupama, what is the next procedure after uploading all the documents, post accepting the offer letter? What is the scope of growth in the persistent system? See, the first thing is that it is depend upon the individual student's perspective. Okay. See, you can first. My suggestion is that you can interact with your seniors. Okay, interact with your seniors. Okay, that is one thing. You can interact, and as few students that they told, like even after working, after completing 1.5 year also, they didn't get any increment. Okay, okay, means suppose if they are joined, I think that last year batch they joined for 4.5 LPA. So still now also they are getting the same after 1.5 years also they are getting the same. Okay. Maybe this increment and all, it happens like based upon your performance. But my suggestion is you can just interact with your senior. Okay, even some students think they switch after 2 to 3 years. After 2 3 years of working, no, they switch to other company. But it is good, like the product based company, and if you switch from persistent to other company, no, maybe you it doubles your package. Definitely there is opportunities are there. Okay, because it has some weightage, like working in a service based company and product based company, there is a huge difference is there. Okay, so and even even you if suppose if you discuss with your senior, no, even they tell some negative thing also, negative things. Okay, but see, it depend on you how you take the whatever the suggestions given by the seniors. See, no one is happy with their job. Okay, so after 1 years, after 2 years, everyone they tell the same thing, like uh, some negative things. Okay, they are not incrementing the salary and all. So just you have some casual conversation with this your senior, and if you get some better opportunity like with 7 lp 8 lp, if you get some better opportunity you can jump. Okay, you can just go ahead with those companies if you get a better opportunity. And still time is there, like you now you are in a 7th semester, you have a golden opportunity. You can just focus on your to improve your skills. Okay, and the type of project that you select in your final year. Sometimes what happens, no, if you get this offer, no, you people will sit idle, like now you are like you got all the jobs and all. Okay, so don't do that. You just target for higher packages and you just accept it. Now you don't think about the growth and all. It depends on your performance. In EPF and national pension scheme will be deducted from the, no, separate. This 31,700 is there, no, that is in hand. In hand you will get. Okay, and that EPF and other things are separate. Okay, this completely it is pure in hand. Okay, in hand salary and your insurance and all, it is separate. That is a separate amount. Okay, don't worry. Samir, how much hike can we expect at the persistent in 2 years? I think some students they told like 20 to 30%, 20 to 30% hike maybe they provide. Okay, like around 1 lakh. Suppose if the student now if you are getting 4.71 LPA, so in the next year you may receive like 5.71 LPA or 6 or 6.5 LPA. Okay, I'm not able to explain properly, but maybe you can just discuss with the seniors. Okay, they may provide like this one, at least 1 hour, 1.5 or 1 lakh increment. It is good, huh, compared to other companies. It is good compared to other service based company. Other service based company, this hike is good. Okay. Anirudh, 1 week finished after the completing HR assessment. When will the offer letter? Any idea? Yeah. Anirudh, you will definitely will get. You are completed your HR assessment. No, what they do? Like you are all the students from your college. Okay, they will verify the responses that is submitted by your college students. All students from your college. Okay, they will verify the HR, the responses that are received. They will submit to the HR people, and HR people they verify, and then they will finally they will send a mail, because it is very responsible job, no, like selecting anyone and that too the providing uh, job in the persistent company. Earlier it was very difficult, like in 1819 batch, no, in 1819 or 1920 batch, the interview is around 1 hour 30 minute, 1 hour 30 minute or 2 hours. Okay, the interview, technical interview was only this much, 1.5 hour, and it was a face to face interview earlier, and and that also they used to take 2 to 3 candidates from each company, each college. Only maximum 2 to 3 students. You can just check it out your in your college website and all. You can just check it out the count, the persistent the count. Okay, so you just check it out the last year records. How many students were selected? In 2021 there is more count, but in these 1819 no, there are very few candidates they selected. Yeah, I listened from some of my friends that they will fire some students after the internship. Is it true? As persistent don't have any bond, will they hire directly? Will they fire directly? No, no. See, Ria, as like the students, that's why you should not listen to anyone else. Okay, what happens? No, everyone tell their perspective. Everyone is having their own perspective. Okay, so even though if you discuss with your friends, but you take it only positive things. Okay, because as they are providing offer and all, they are spending so much time. Okay, and they are providing the internship to gain the to explore the skills. Okay, and they are providing the training. They are investing on you. Okay, they are investing some time, money on you. Yes or no? Then why they fire? Okay, they are investing some time and money cost. They are investing by taking these interviews. Okay, by taking the online test, interviews, technical interview, HR interview. Why they are doing? If they don't want to hire, then they will reject it in these steps only, in the technical or in the HR round only they will reject it. Okay, but it is depend on your performance. Like it is not that much difficult as I discussed with a 2021 batch student. No, okay, as these guys are they told like they allocate training on Java domain or .NET domain, any domain. Okay, UI user interface domain, any domain. They won't ask you. So directly they will allocate and they provided training from the experts. Okay, they provided training from the experts, and most of the students they were happy with the training, and they developed some projects like in the training period. No, they done some project like hotel management, some simple projects, hotel management, but they applied whatever they learned in the training. They applied to their project. They applied whatever the concepts are there. No, whatever the concepts they are learned from the training, they are applied to their project. Okay, they applied on their project, and it was not that much difficult. Okay, so time is there. You can prepare it. Okay, as they are providing salary and means so as 4.71 they are providing salary means you need to work. No, you need to explore your skill. You can improve that. Okay, you people can do that, and don't think in a negative way like they can fire and all, because it depends upon all the people. Okay, they tell some negative things and all, so don't think negative. And how much will persistent pay during the, I think in the mail I think they are mentioned. I think 10K they are mentioned during the internship. 10K thousand they are providing, but you need to wait till you get a proper confirmation or a mail communication from the persistent. You need to wait, and also it depend upon your college policy also. Okay, in some colleges, what they do, they send means they allow for the persistent. Okay, means allow for the internship. Suppose if the internship is from at 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Suppose your internship is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So it depends upon the college. Some colleges they allow, some colleges they reject. Okay, it depends. So you need to wait till and see. Still, the main thing is that still you are a student. Okay, you can't take any decision. Okay, like you can directly, you cannot go to the persist in these internships and all. Everything you have to take a permission from your college authority. Okay, permission from the college, because you are a student, you are not a job holder. Okay, you are not an employee now. Still you are a student till the completion of your final year B. Okay, still you are a student, so don't take any decision without informing to your TPO or any, because if you face any problem in the future, no, then they will tell, so have you communicated to us regarding all these things. Okay, so you are a student, and you just discuss with your head of the department, or you discuss with your TPO. Okay, because sometimes no, the students they won't communicate, and the TPO and all they are unaware what's going on. Okay, so in future if you face any problem, that time you will come to HOD or TPO, like you face this problem and all. That time they won't help. Okay, means you, whatever things you have to communicate, because you are a student till you get your final mark sheet, no, final semester mark sheet, that passing certificate. Okay, you are a student only. Yeah. Animish, in the offer letter, the role mentioned as software engineer. What kind of project can we expect? Yeah, I think it depend. So as I discussed with the 2021 batch, no. So they provided a training on Java, .NET, UI. Okay, it is, you can like consider it's a full stack developer. You can consider it is like a full stack developer. They will assign a project. Okay, it is like a full stack developer, but you can just you can communicate with your senior regarding all these things. Okay, because these all you need to discuss all such points. Yeah, it is a very good question, Animesh. Such things only you should not discuss about हाथ में कितना आता है और कितना कट होता है सैलरी वगैरह. At this stage, no, you should not focus on the salary at this stage. Okay, you should not focus on salary, you should focus on what skills you will gain from the company. Okay, what new skills you gain from the company and all. See, if you focus on the salary, no, in the your lifelong you will be staying in 4.71 only. आपका lifelong यहीं बैठे रहते हो. If you focus on the skill or your growth, then only like you have to ask such questions to your seniors. You need to ask such questions like in which technology they are providing the training, what type of projects they are providing, are they using the machine learning AI in their project, in internship. Okay, such type of discussion that you should do. Okay, you should do with your seniors. And the one problem I think maybe you people are facing a problem as in the pandemic. In this pandemic, maybe you people are facing a problem like there is no communication between the seniors and juniors. Okay, but still you can take a contact numbers from the your class coordinator or your head of the department or your TPO. You can take the contact number of your seniors that is passed out 2021 batch. Okay, And also you can communicate through the LinkedIn also. In the LinkedIn, okay, in the LinkedIn also you can communicate. Okay, in the LinkedIn also you can try to ask such questions that you will get. Okay. Yeah, as you told previous year, it's difficult to placement and persistent. Then why they took only 15-minute interview and selecting? Yeah, what happened? No, yeah. So this time, no, they are recruiting around maybe 4,000, as they mentioned publicly. 4,000 students. 4,000 students. They are hiring this time, as they mentioned in the public and in the TV channel and all. Maybe you have seen they are hiring the 4,000 students, and earlier maybe they used to select around below maybe below 1,000, I can say below 1,000 or around 500, maybe around 500 students only they are selected. Okay, below 500. Okay, so here this time, no, like to take the interview for all, like maybe 4,000 or maybe more than, we are not sure. But I think I have seen in the pre-placement talk also, I think they mentioned, no, around 4,000 they are hiring. And because and they got some many projects this time in the pandemic, no, in the pandemic. And also because of the digitization, as and because of the smart city work, because of the digitization, the company has received many projects. Okay, and also I think maybe you have seen in the news, like Deshpande is, I think Anand Deshpande, CEO. So they are listed in a billionaire list. Okay, and also I think in the news I have seen that around 115 crore building they are purchased, means the space they are purchased for the office work in Pune. I think maybe you can check it out, exact amount around 110 or 115 crore was there in a Pune region. No, they purchased a building for the persistent for the office work. Okay, so means they got many projects, and that's why they are recruiting the more number of students. And also there are, as I don't know exactly, but as many people, like the experienced candidates, no, like the experience with 3 to 5 years, some experienced candidate, 3-year experienced candidate, I think they left the company, or maybe they resigned. Okay, because what happens, no, they expect more salary, their salary expectation will be more. I don't know exactly what happens, no, once we like get more experience, then we expect more salary. Okay, and I may be wrong. Okay, I may be wrong, but after the 3 to 5 experience, as the employee, they can expect like around 15 LPA or around 12 LPA or around 20 LPA, as they expect more salary. Okay, so if the company if they pay, suppose 15 LPA to one person, one employee, if they pay, okay, so this 4.7 LPA, they get 3 employees. Okay, so they get 3 employees. So here it is benefit to the organization, benefit to the organization. Okay, instead of 15 to one employee, it is my opinion. I'm not. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, because the company, they want only profit. Okay, they won't see whether these any other things. Okay, if you are performing well, they will keep you. Okay, and if your performance is worst, bad, if you are not performing well, then they will terminate you. It is not a government job. Okay, it is not a government job. In the government job also nowadays it is not easy. There are there are more responsibilities there, more work is there. But only one thing in the government job is secure security in the job. Job security is there, but there is more work. Okay. So these are all my opinion only. Okay, it is depend upon the as everyone other perspective. Okay. Ankita, is role mentioned in offer letter too? Yeah, role is mentioned in the offer letter too. And is the internship provided in seventh semester? Maybe I think at the end of December, maybe at the end of the December or in the January, I think they provide. In the January, they will provide. Okay. Siddesh, what about NSR registration, sir? NSR, I'm not getting what is NSR registration. Okay, Siddesh, I'm not getting what is NSR registration. Ria, I know user interface Java already and created a project also in college. Good. So will they assign these courses who know it already or different courses? No, the training is same for all. Training will be same for all the students. Okay, the training contents are everything is same, and also I heard that in some colleges, no, like the students they like base package is I think 10 LPA or something in some colleges like tier 2 colleges and all. In some colleges the this is the base package there, and in tier 3 colleges and all 4.71 LP is the base package. Okay, so this is the base package in some colleges, and in tier 2 colleges, in top colleges, the base package is around 10 LPA. Okay, so for all these, even if you consider in your college only, the base package is 4 point, and in advanced package, the higher package is 7.5 LPA. Okay, for for both these candidates, same training. They are providing the same training. Okay, the same content, everything is same. Both are in the same team, but only the salary is difference. That's all. Training, content, everything is same. Only the difference in the salary. Yeah, okay. Maybe the project allocation and all later they may allocate based upon the project availability. Means this is happened. Means I discussed with 2021 batch student. No, I asked about is there any difference in the training for 7 LP and 4 point. They told it is same training, same content they are providing. Okay, till now, till in that after in still the completion of the training it was same, and after I don't know. Okay, so you people just in touch with your seniors. Anupam, what is the next procedure after uploading all the documents post accepting the offer letter? Yeah, Anupam, I think after accepting the offer, no, you I think you already received the e offer letter. Okay, so after that maybe they will communicate. Means still in some colleges, no, already means some colleges still the process is going on. Maybe after completion of the recruitment in various colleges, so maybe they next they will I think go ahead for the internship. Okay, internship, and I think for this also maybe they ask a consent from the student, like whether the student he is interested or not, whether his college is allowing or not. Okay, college policy and all, because they need to follow all these things. In some colleges they will allow, some colleges they won't allow, depend upon the time convenience. Okay, Ranjit, will they provide laptops? I don't know. I think in some YouTube channels I have seen like a company has provided laptops to students, but I will confirm this. I'm not sure. because maybe they provide, if suppose the student is having some problem, like if he don't have the laptops and all, maybe because in some companies we pro TCS and they provide the laptops, company laptop. This I will confirm. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, I will confirm, and maybe in the comment or in the next video I'll tell you. Okay, I just asked to the students from 1920 batch and 2020 batch. The students are in contact with me. I will confirm. Okay, and yeah, Prasad, do we get a separate mail first for e-offer letter and later do you get a separate mail first for e-offer letter and later mail for the document for? Yeah, yes, Prasad. The students know after first mail is that congrats mail as a superhero. I think they have mentioned some tag. Okay. Congrats mail, that is one mail ID, and in that I think you are accepting your offer. Okay, then after that you will get one more mail where you can generate e-offer letter by providing all the details. Okay, by providing all the details, you are the e-offer letter will generate. So this is the first mail. This is the second mail, and I think after this, I think for uploading the documents, I think you will get one more mail. Okay, so I think you receive a separate mail. If I'm wrong, please mention in the chat anyone those who are gone through the process. Anupam, will the internship be remote or yeah, Anupam still we don't know. Okay, there is no confirmation. See what happens, no? The all means the employees, the students from 2021 batch, they are working remote place means work from home only till December, I think. Till December they are working from home, and it depends. Like as maybe you have gone through the news, Wipro they called all employees. Maybe means I have seen in the news like they called all the employees to work from the office to work from office. It depend upon the situation, depend upon the pandemic situation how it affects. Maybe I think no, Anupam. Maybe as my guess, they may provide like work from home only. The internship if they provide. What about they won't occupy more more people at the same place. Even though if they call employee, already the full time employee to office, as there will be more crowd at the place. There will be more crowd. So I think it may be work from home only 99%. It is just my assumption because it's still in Maharashtra and all some state no still college is not started. Offline is not started still in some state. Offline is not started. Okay, so maybe yeah. Anupam saying congratulations and filling the details. That is first mail. Okay. In the second mail is that accepting the offer letter. Okay, and third mail is that further details filling and uploading the documents. Okay. Yeah, I think in total three mails. Three mails will be there. Three mails from the persistent till the third mail there. That is till to upload all the documents. The student has to complete all these steps, and if they won't receive any mail, okay, so try to communicate with the TPO of a college so that you won't face any problem. So the college, what they do, they collect the response, they collect any such problem, no, they collect all such issues. Okay, they collect all such issues, and they will combine. Okay, and they will communicate to the they will communicate to persistent. Okay, one by one they cannot send, no, because it will create a problem. They will combine all the such issues of your college student. So they will combine all the issues and they will communicate to the company. And if they send one by one individual means, then it is a confusion. It creates a confusion to the persistent people. Okay, so they will combine and they will send. Okay, and I think there are some questions were there that in the comment box. Okay, I will cover it. Yeah, I think she was there in the chat also now. Yeah, 60 watt mail, and so yeah, I think already I have covered same questions when she asked. So there is more chances are there, more chances of selection. I think she mentioned in the chart also, out of 60, no, out of 60 students, around 55 plus students they got HR mail, as I think she shared this one. Okay, 55 plus student they received the HR mail from her college. Ayush, HR assessment have time limit or not? See, as they are mentioning the 15-minute in the mail, but what you do, you try to read questions carefully and attempt it. You may take 30 to 35 minutes. Don't worry, but read the questions properly, because 100 questions in 15 minutes it is not possible. Not possible in the 15 minutes. So read the questions carefully. Okay. Sir, clear the percentage exam on Anurag. Anurag is asking a question. Okay. Abdul is there. Okay, but I'll take the chart question first. I have not uploaded fifth semester mark sheet. Okay, and you told I have emailed them this issue, but no response. Do they will reach me if they need mark sheet? Yes. See, Abdul, there is no such issue here. What happens now? These 2021 batch students are there, no? Still, they are not provided. They are not provided their final semester mark sheet. Okay, the final semester mark sheets they are not provided, and they are getting this almost they got around 3 to 4 months salary also. 4 months salary, not 4 months. I think 24 May 2021 they joined. So June, July, August, September. Okay, almost 3 to 4 months salary they received without uploading the final semester marks card. Okay, so if they require, no, means still it is in some colleges, no, due to pandemic, in some colleges depend upon the college university, they are not provided the final mark sheet. Okay, so that's why they are not taking strictly, but it depend. If you are uploading, okay. If you are not uploading, also there is no such big issue. Okay, but maybe during the joining and all, maybe they will take some consent. Means before joining, no, you should not have the backlog, that you take care. Before the joining, you should not have any backlogs. Okay, you should not have any backlog. That take care. Okay, that about the backlogs and all. And if the document is required, definitely they will communicate. Okay, because they give the time, and also they know in the pandemic, as students are not visiting to the college, they know the situation. Anurag, I clear persistent exam on 30th August. Okay, for the base package, but still not get an interview call. Okay, Anurag, you are talking about online test. I think you are talking about the online test. Okay, you are cleared this test. Okay, Anurag, you are cleared the online test. You are cleared the online test. Exam on 30th August. Okay, for base package, but not get an interview call. Let me know whether your students from your college, are they received, your friends, they are they received the interview, technical interview call. You just let me know so that I can answer, because what happened, no, they will send a list. Ones who clear the online test, no, they send a selection list to the college TPO, selection list to college TPO. Okay, okay, they won't send individually. Okay, just Anurag Singh, you just confirm it. Okay, they will send the selection list after the online test. They will send the list to the college TPO. Then only you can confirm that whether you are selected for the interview or not. Okay, 1 or 2 day before the technical interview. Okay, 1 or 2 day before, 1 or 2 day before, they will communicate to the students about whether you are having the technical interview or not. Okay, so you just take care about that. Chinmay, I have given the persistent exam, but I have not received any mail about whether I am selected or not. I have given the persistent exam, but I have not received any mail about whether. No, here I am not clear about your question, Chinmay. You are given the persistent exam. So persistent exam means, have you are talking about online test, that is first round, or technical interview, or HR interview. So you just clear me whether in which stage you are. Okay, these stages are very important. So in which stage you are? Like you are not mentioned clearly, just you are given a general, you are given the exam, but I have not received any mail. Okay, you just clear me in which stage you are. Either you are in the online test. Okay, online test. Okay, Chinmay, online test you are given, but you are not received. So let me know whether your friends received, whether your friends received the technical interview mail, technical interview selection mail. Yeah, Chinmay, I want to know for technical interview whether your friends received, friends or students from college, students from your college, are they received the mail for the technical interview, that you let me know. Okay, it depend upon that. And even no, this technical interview list is there, no, they will send in a section, in a like first list, second, not yet. Okay, so Chinmay, then don't worry, they will send the list. Okay, the selection for the technical interview list they will send to your TPO. In some colleges, no, in a first slot, in first slot they will send to few students. Okay, yeah, they will send a few students, and in the second slot, no, in the second slot they will again they send to the few students. So don't worry, you just wait and also be in touch with your college TPO. Okay, they send the list in a slot wise. In a slot wise, they will send. I think that same question maybe with Anurag also. I think so. You just check it out whether it is sent to your students or not. Okay. Then yeah, Abdul. Okay, just my mark sheet is at college. Yeah, Abdul, don't worry. Till you join, no, you have the chance to give your marks, submit your mark sheet and all. Don't worry about that. Yes, Sir, PW, TCS Digital and Persistent 7LP. Which one should I choose? Yes, Gupta. See, Yash Gupta, what you do, as it is very clear, TCS Digital and Persistent with a higher package. Okay, high package. Okay, so it is a 7 LPA and yes, 7.5 LPA. Okay, and the first thing is that the salary, the whatever the salary they are providing, it is good with the Persistent. Then second thing is in Persistent you are getting internship and all, and to explore the skills and internship opportunities there, and immediate joining will be you will get in the Persistent. Okay, and training also they will provide immediate. Okay, and in Persistent maybe you will get a late joining, maybe because no 2021 batch students, I think now in the September month they are receiving September month they received the joining. Okay, they received the joining in the September month. So as per my opinion, you should go for TCS Digital, not TCS, sorry, Persistent. You should go with the Persistent. Okay, you should go with Persistent 7.5 LPA. Okay, I hope it is clear. Means whatever I know, just I told. Okay, so you can discuss with your friends, your those who are working in the company. If you have any contact, your relatives and all, you can just discuss it. Okay. Pranay Avasti. Okay, Pranay, I didn't understand 7 point LPA breakup sheet. Pranay, okay, yeah, I will tell you in the next video, but around 51k you are getting in hand salary. 51k you are getting in hand salary, and the remaining will be your PF and insurance, gratuity, and all some amount will deduct. But these are also you will get later. Okay, you will get these benefits. So it is good for 7.5. Anurag is mentioned. No, sir, none can receive an interview. Okay, Anurag, then it is good thing. No one is received means definitely they are working. They are working in process. Okay, so Anurag, definitely they will communicate for technical interview. Okay, maximum 90% chances are there here. 90% selection chances based upon your performance. Okay, definitely you will get a mail, but you prepare well. Okay, Anurag, you have a golden chance. Don't miss it, Anurag. What you do, you prepare for the mock interview. You take it a mock interview with your by requesting with your project guide and okay, any faculty. You just request it and you go with 1 or 2 mock interviews. What happened? No, 1 or 2 days before only they will announce like your technical interviews scheduled and all. So that's why you just go ahead with the mock interview and you take it seriously. Okay, definitely you will get 100%, 90% I can sure you will get, because in this video only, as one of the student Ria, okay, as she said, in her college 60 students they were attended, they were shortlisted for the technical interview, like I think not online test, and out of yeah it is HR, no, okay, 60 students were there in they appeared for the technical interview, and out of that 50 plus they are selected for the HR. Means they are recruiting more students. Okay, so you are having a golden chance, just to utilize this. Chinmay, okay, that online test. Yeah, Chinmay and Anurag, your case, both cases are same. You both are having the same case. You are just completed your online test and waiting for technical interview. Okay, waiting for the next round. Next round, that is technical round. Okay, technical interview. So definitely you will get, and you just focus. You start to prepare your technical interview. Okay. Anusri, sir, they allocate location before asking us, or directly they will give. I think directly they allocate. Maybe directly they allocate, but directly they allocate. But I think in the, maybe in the future while joining, after requesting also they may change. Okay, after the request they will change. Joydeep, all selected students in my college got the offer letter on 10th. Okay, 10th September. I and few students didn't get the offer letter yet. When we can expect? Yeah, I think they may be released that in a slot wise. So you just wait. It has happened with few students in colleges. Okay, there may be some technical problem. What you do? You just communicate to your college TPO. Okay, your college TPO and your head of the department. You just have a communication. Just at least you just informally you just communicate, or formally also you can communicate to your TPO about as you are not received the offer letter. It has happened with many students. Okay, in the same college, as few students received and few students they are not received. Okay, and these not received, no, they are in a panic. Okay, they are in a panic why they are not received and all. But see, because you got a selection mail and you are already completed the process. Okay, definitely you will receive. Okay, so wait, it may be some technical problem, and you can see that as a 10th September it was a Ganesh Chaturthi holiday was there, and again the weekend. Okay, so and see, it may be as the people maybe they were on leave and all. There are so many reasons are there, maybe technical problem. So you wait. Anupam, mostly they are giving Pune and Nagpur. Okay. Shashank Sharma. What about technical interview first? What round is it? Shashank Sharma. I think Shashank Sharma, you just go with my some of the videos that I have mentioned means discussed about the technical round. As technical round, okay, I think maybe you are a third year. I think maybe you are a third year student maybe. So what you do, technical round means it contains the hands-on coding. It contains the hands-on coding, and also they ask the questions on OOPS concepts, data structure, then database query and all SQL queries. Okay, database concept, SQL query, operating system, computer networking. So they ask questions on theory and also hands-on coding. You need to do hands-on. Okay, like any problem statement that you have to do a coding. Okay, by sharing your screen, or you can um, you can share your code through the chat window. Okay, means your technical interview, it is not only the theory, it contains both hands-on coding and these asking theory questions based upon the core concepts of your subject. Okay, and you just go through the some videos are there where our students, those who have gone through the process, they shared their experience, what type of questions that occurred, or what type of question they asked in the interview. Okay, then Shashank. Okay, Keval. How to know if HR interview is for base package or advanced package? They not mentioned in the mail. Yeah, they are not mentioned in the mail, but they are communicated to the TPO. Okay, they are communicated to the TPO through a selection mail. Okay, and in that particular selection mail list, the student list they are communicated, and they are mentioned like a name of the student, and whether he is for base package or higher package. They are mentioned there 4.71 or 7.5. They are mentioned. Okay, they are it is there with means they are communicated to the TPO, like these students are selected with these packages. Okay, but whichever it is, if you are getting the HR assessment, no, you just carefully read the questions and attempt it. Put on. What will happen in background check? Will they be too strict? Yeah, background check means no. There is a strict means as per their rule. No, 10th should be 60 percentage and above. 12th should be 60 percentage and above, and your B aggregate. I think it is 100%. Everyone is having above 60 only. There is no problem with this. Even though if it is 58, 57, you can cover it in the next 2 semester. But I think these companies, no, like TCS, these companies, they look on this for freshers. They are very strict with the 60 percentage. They are very strict with the 60 percentage. So you should take care about this. There is a background check, and also like they won't check any other your family background and all. They won't check. They are not interested in your family or nothing. They are just interested in your skill. Whatever the performance that you have shown in the interview, they won't check your income, family income, or nothing they will check. They will check whether you are above 60 percentage or not. That's all. And whatever the performance that you give in the interview, that's all. And there is no influence, nothing in these companies. No, nothing they will see, nothing. Okay, just they mainly focus on your skill and performance. Okay, your performance in the interview. Okay, Pushkraj Kulkarni, tomorrow is my HR rounds. Can you please help how to prepare and any idea about the exam? Okay. Okay, so see, I already like created one video for online HR assessment. I'm just explaining based upon the students whatever they explained. The questions will be like some decision making questions, and like suppose here the first questions like which of the following statements, which of the following statement that suits to you. Okay, suits to you. So they will give three options like A, B, C. This is one option, this is two option, third option. Okay. So here what happens now? For this particular question, which of the following statement that suits to you? So if you select this particular option, okay, all the three statements are that suits to you, means all are related. Okay, there is no negative options. If you are selected this option, okay, then in the next question, no, in the second question, so this is your first priority. This is your first priority. You are fit with this statement. In the second question, for the same question, there will be only two options, A and C. There will be only two options for the second question. So in that, if you are selected with the this particular C, then this is your second priority, and obviously this A is the your third priority. Okay, like it is like HR questions only, like as in the interview we used to tell, no, like I am a keen learner, I am a good in the problem solving skills, likewise. Okay, and some questions like as the students they told some questions are repeat. Okay, some questions are repeat, like there is one question. Okay, so here there is one question, and some options after okay, like suppose 20th question. In the 20th question also you will get a same, you will get same similar type, at least similar type of questions you will get, but you should not change the option. Suppose for this particular question, no, you are selected the option, the correct answer as means whichever the suits. If you are selected B option as per your opinion, and if the 20th question same type, similar type of question is there, and if you are not selected the same option, then it will be a problem. Means you should select the same option whichever you are selected. Suppose here you are selected like you want to work in a team. Okay, you are interested to work in team. Okay, and in this option with same type of question, and if you are mentioned like you want to work self or alone you want to complete the task. If you are selected this, then there is ambiguity, here you are provided option like you want to work in a team, and here you are provided option as you want to work self individually. So you should not do such things. That's why you read the questions carefully and choose the option, choose the same option, whichever the, even if you get the same type of question again once again, there also you should choose the same option. Same option is similar based upon the question. Okay, so you try to read the questions carefully. Then yeah, I think Pushkar, I think you may got idea. I think Pushkar, what you do, you just go through the in AMCAT, you just search it in the AMCAT HR questions. Okay, in that you will get some questions with answer. Questions with answer. Which type of answer you should provide? Okay. So questions with answer. So you get some idea. You just go through that, and you will get an idea like how to answer positively. Your answer should be in a positive way. Okay. Keval, I have given the technical interview for 7.5 package, but they are not informed if interview cleared or not. They have directly put my mail for the HR assessment. Okay. See, the one thing is that you can confirm this with a selection list. Actually they communicate to the TPO by mentioning like you are selected for 4.7 or 7.5 LP. Definitely they will communicate to the TPO 100% they will communicate. And if suppose if they are not communicated and you got the HR mail, so the main thing is that you just go ahead, you just attempt this HR round. Okay, you just attempt the HR round. Okay, don't think whether it is 4.71 or 7.5. Okay, if they are not communicated to the TPO, if they are not communicated the TPO, then don't think any other way, whether it is, don't confuse. Next, your main focus is on the HR online assessment. Okay, so you just complete it, HR online assessment, and later you can see, later you can see. Okay, so don't think you about your salary now if you are not received any communication from the TPO. Okay, first you complete your HR assessment. how many days will it take to complete background check process, and according to you, what will be the further process? See, background check process means that there is no such background process. Okay, it is not a government job like to take it seriously. Okay, just they will verify your Aadhaar card. Okay, your Aadhaar card and your PAN card details and your 10th, 12th, that much only. Now they are only focus on only these things. Okay, they will only focus on these things. And while joining, you should not have any backlog. That's all. Okay, this is the main thing. Aadhaar card and PAN card, 10th, 12th. If this indicate that your Aadhaar card means you are permanent like resident of your the India. PAN card, you have the account number. Okay, so that's all. 10th, 12th, it should be above 60. So that much only background process. There is no other. In government, suppose if there is a government job and all, no, then the process is very long to verify the even police and all, they visit to their house for the to confirm or is there any criminal case against the that particular person. I mean, that is different now in this particular company. No, they won't look more things. Just they will see as per the eligibility criteria whether he is a student from this particular college. Okay, just they verify the student is from the college and their Aadhaar card, PAN card, 10th, 12th, that's all. That information is sufficient. Okay. So I hope I have answered most of the questions. And if there are some questions, try to put it in the comment so that those who have gone through the process, definitely they will answer. Okay, definitely they will answer because most of the students they are gone through the process. Okay, so they will answer. And thank you for the interaction. Okay, bye.